हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं विद मैथमेटिक्स सिलेबस फॉर अ प्रोफेशनल कोर्स दैट इज CMA फाउंडेशन। यस, सो लेट अस फर्स्ट हैव अ लुक एट द syllabus quickly. So arithmetics is 40% as we discussed in our last video lecture, and statistics is 60%, 60 marks. Okay, so we are going to start with sums on chapter number ratio, variation and proportion. So it will be a single sum every video lecture. Okay, so let us start. So the theory portion of the chapter you guys can go through and you can have an understanding. Students coming from college, basically after 12th, they would already have an understanding, have a better grip on the theory portion of the chapter, and then you can also go through the properties and you can make a note of that. Then this is important, and then over here you can just quickly have a look over here. What is duplicate ratio, what is triplicate ratio, then subduplicate ratio, compound ratio, and then this is something very important is basic rule of proportion, which is this 5 6 rule. So first is invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, componendo and dividendo, and then there is a theorem on ratio and proportion. So you can go through this, and then after this you have few solved problem. So there is a solution already given. So this you guys can understand. So I would not be covering these problems. In case if you have any specific problem regarding any specific sum, you can let me know in the comment section. I can cover it up in a separate video lecture. Okay, so let us continue. This is also solved, this is also solved. So yeah, so we have now practice problems over here which you can see. So we will be covering this sums. Sorry, so we'll be covering the first sum today, so which I've already taken it over here. So what they have given in this sum is the ratio of present age of a father to that of his son is 5:3. So the ratio of present age means today's age of a father and son is 5:3. So the ratio of father age to son's age is 5:3. That is what they have given. So let us consider as father's age as x and son's age as y. So what our ratio will become? It will be x upon y is equal to 5/3. Okay. Now up to over here it is clear. Now what they have given is 10 year hence. Hence means 10 year after. 10 years after 10 years. The ratio would be 3:2. So if the present age of father is x and the present age of son is y, so the age of father after 10 year would be x plus 10, today's age plus 10 years, and that of son's age would be son's present age, which is y plus 10. And what they have given is 10 year hence the ratio would be 3:2. So the ratio of father and son after 10 years would be 3/2. So let us do one thing. Let us first solve this portion first. So what we are going to do, we are going to do a cross multiplication. So that will be 2 into x plus 10 is equal to 3 into y plus 10. Okay. So now we'll have to multiply these two by both these numbers which are in bracket. So this will be 2x and this will be 20, and over here it will be 3y plus 30. Okay, now let's bring the variable uh, piece on one side, which is 2x. 3y sign is positive, not this positive but a positive sign over here. If nothing is mentioned, it means it's a positive sign. So when this 3y comes over here, so that will become negative. Okay, this 30 is already the here positive, and this 20 plus 20 I am going to send it on the right hand side. Okay, so this positive 20 will become negative 20 over here. So 2x minus 3y, and this will be 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay, so we have solved up to here. After this we are not able to solve, correct? So now we are going to take help of the first condition that was given in the question, which is this one. The father ratio of present age of father and his son is 5:3. So what we can do is we can send y on the right hand side, so that will be 5 into y upon 3, so that will be 5y upon 3, because this is a division over here, so that will go, when we send it on the right hand side it will get multiplied by 5. Okay, so now in place of x we can substitute this part 5y minus 5y upon 3. So in place of x we can put 5y upon 3. This 2 will stay as it is. Okay, and this minus 3y is equal to 10. Rest stays as it is. Now what this will become is 2 5s are 10y upon 3 minus 3y is equal to 10. Now what we have to do, we have to do cross multiplication only on the left hand side. So that will be 10y minus 3 3s are 9y divided by this multiplication of this 3 ones are 3, and this is 10. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to send this number on the right hand side. So that will be 10y minus 9y is equal to 10 into 3. So that will be 30, and 10y minus 9y is 1y, which means it is y, nothing but y. So the value of y you have got it as 30, and now using this we can find out the value of x, which is this 5y upon 3. So x is equal to 5y upon 3. So that will be 5 into value of y is 30 upon 3, 3 ones are and 3 tens are. This is 1. So this is 50x. Okay. So x was father's age, father's present age. So father's present age is 50, son's present age is 30, which is value of y. So that's it for today. Only we are covering only one sum today. In our next video lecture we will be covering the second sum. In case if you have any doubt in any specific question, you can directly send it to us. This is the institute module. You can send us the page number and sum number. We'll try to cover it up as soon as possible. So, and one important information to all you guys, since it's a very tough time as COVID cases are rising extremely exponentially in India. So stay at home as far as you can. Don't step out. Try to avoid it. Okay. So let's see you soon. Till then, take care.